You guys know that I am fastidious about nails, and I start them at 4 days old. This is a perfect example. 3 days after clipping them, look at how long they are. This is not fair to your bitch, and I hate seeing puppies with long nails. It shows that you're not paying attention to your litter. You're not manhandling them. You're not maintaining them. And you know what? I've only had one that didn't let us do her nails, and I didn't raise her. Daisy. But everybody else I can do nails, even the ones that don't live with me anymore. If you start now, it's so much easier on the groomer, the owner, and it's just good puppy maintenance. But I also do my adults once a week. I know, sorry. I haven't bled one baby yet. I've been doing this my whole life. Picking up dog shit and clipping nails. Yeah, your nails are long, little girl. Oh, please, I didn't even do that. Go ahead. Oh, look, see, you made me miss one.